There she is before I unwrap her. I gotta be honest, this is probably the fastest I ever picked out a Christmas tree. It was the second one I saw. I was like, this'll do. And I went and got it. So I'm filming on my phone, so sorry about the quality. Okay. So the tree is right there. And I haven't decided if I'm going to show me putting the lights on the tree, because that's kind of the boring part. I did find my smart plug. If you are not using smart plugs for your tree, let me help you out. If you don't want to have to crawl behind there to plug in your tree every day, get some smart plugs. You can control it from your phone. But I think I bought 6 boxes of these. So it should be enough. And then I'm just going to string them into the tree vertically and see how that goes. I think I'll film a portion of that and then I'll just show you when it's done. Okay, this is what it looks like. I got a little carried away with the lights. Sorry I didn't show you, but it's literally you just shove them in there. Let me show you. I just shove them in between the branches and whatnot. And then my topper is a little crooked, but it's because it has 2 branches that it could go to. It doesn't bother me enough to really fix it. And then the topper twinkles. My lights don't. That's the only thing I don't love about these sphere bulbs is they don't twinkle. But the ones that twinkled had like faceted bulbs versus just like plain smooth ones. And I didn't want that. But I really like it. This makes me so happy, y'all. So tomorrow I'm going to put the ornaments on during the daytime so you can actually see what I'm doing. And then I'll also finish decorating the rest of my place, and I'll put up I have a tree that I put in my bedroom too, so I'll show you all that too. But this makes me so happy. I'm so happy about this. All right, I'll see you in the morning. Okay, I have taken out most of my Christmas stuff that I plan on using this year. So I'm just going to go through it and decorate my tree finally because it is time. Also, because it's just a cozy day, I'm wearing my cozy Christmas pajamas. Ignore the fabric. We need to clean this whole room anyway. But yeah, I'm just going to figure out what ornaments I'm going to put on the tree this year. I don't really have a theme. I mostly like to put on ornaments that I've collected from my travels. That's the souvenir I get wherever I go, is I collect ornaments. So I'm going to put those on, and then maybe I'll add some couple stuff. But we're just going to go through and sort and see what I have this year. These are all the ornaments I'm using this year. Most of my travel ornaments are over here, and then I have some DIY ones. These are on the channel. And then, I'm gonna be honest, most of the store-bought ones are like the stuffed ones, the gold stars, these and that are all from Target years past. And then this is from Target, and then this is from At Home. Now, in my opinion, Target used to have some really good ornaments, and I don't feel like they're as good anymore. Like, I don't think Target ornaments are hitting the way they used to in years past. So I would recommend, if you're looking for ornaments still, like Home Goods, or like I said, collect them on your travels, or just find like cute little independent shops that sell them, and that's how you can get good unique ornaments. Because as you can see, we're going with like a red kitschy theme. Like, I don't aspire for aesthetic Christmas anymore, and I'm perfectly okay with that. So I'm gonna do the cranberry wooden garland right now, and they still sell that at World Market if you want to get that. But I'm just gonna put that on the tree, and then I'll start putting my sentimental ornaments on, and then we'll do the filler with the gold and the red baubles. I'm overdoing it. I mean, I always, like, there's always so many ornaments on my tree. But have I taken it too far is the question. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't know if I should do the red or the gold is the thing. We're gonna keep going. Just need to take a moment for the gold stars. You have no idea how happy I am. So my home is finally decorated for Christmas. I don't know if I'm going to put any more of my mini trees up, but I have put up my big tree. Now it has ornaments on it, and I decorated my buffet, and it just makes me so happy and cozy. I also normally put up a tree, like a mini tree, in my bedroom. I don't know if I'm going to do that this year. So we're not gonna wait till that. I'm just gonna upload this video. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this cozy holiday vlog, please let me know by liking the video and leaving comments down below. I feel like everyone kind of decorated late this year because Thanksgiving was so late, and you know what, I'm okay with that. I don't care if you decorate a week before Thanksgiving, beginning of November, or, you know, 2 days before Christmas, whatever makes you happy. But that's the vlog for today. If you're curious, my pajamas are from Target. My earrings, if you can see, are from Bobble Bar, and they do have them again this year. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you like this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.